The other roles including are following the rules and directions and doing our best in helping others. And it makes me happy to see the citizens of Wolfland committed to their society and be involved in important decisions that shape their everyday community life. Whatever your role will be in Wolfland, I know you know how important it will be to be involved. By contributing to society, as all of you are helping to build a stronger, happier, and healthier community. I know that everything you learn here is going to help you as you go about your life in school and outside of school. Also, hope that your experience in Wolfland will get you thinking about how you want to get involved more in Fulton with Buffalo when you get a little older. In my case, I decided to get involved in politics and community service because I wanted to help people and wanted to help my community. I really believe that if you get involved and try your best, especially when you have lots of people around you who are also working hard to do their best, then you can make great things happen in your community. So today I wish all the government officials and citizens of Wolfland great success as you begin your new parliamentary succession. I hope you'll do your best and listen to others and make good decisions for your micro-society. I know some of you will, and this may be just your start of government for your lifetime. I know many of you will be inspired to experience Wolfland and may get involved with the Mayor's Advisory Council on Youth, which is McCoy, when you get a little older. In closing, I'd like to congratulate everyone in Timberlea Public School and your Governor General and staff, and especially the students who are building a great Wolfland for all citizens. Thank you for everything that you've been doing in this great place to be. And now I'm proudly officially swearing the members of the Parliament for Wolfland.
Okay, so we'd like to ask the Member of Parliament for Friendshipville to please come up to the camera. Yeah, I think Lincoln is ready.
Lincoln's ready? Okay, Lincoln, if you want to repeat after me.
So I will be.
Don't repeat after him, just wait.
So you ready?
Yeah.
I, Lincoln Grady,
I, Lincoln Grady,
do sincerely promise that I will be faithful to the citizens of Wolfland, to represent people as a member of Parliament with the utmost honesty and sincerity.
Congratulations, Lincoln. We'd now like to ask the member for Pine Martin Territory.
Lucas? Hi, Lucas. Just repeat after me, okay? I, Lucas Barnett,
I, Lucas Barnett,
do sincerely promise that I will be faithful to the citizens of Wolfland, represent its people
and to represent its people
as a member of Parliament
as a member of Parliament
with the utmost honesty
with the utmost honesty
and sincerity.
Congratulations, Lucas. We now call on the member for Wolf Island.
Are you ready there, Chase? Okay, just repeat after me. I, Chase Todd,
I, Chase Todd,
do sincerely promise
do sincerely promise
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
to the citizens of Wolfland
to the citizens of Wolfland
and to represent its people
and to represent its people
as a member of Parliament
as a member of Parliament
with the utmost honesty
to the utmost honesty
and sincerity.
and sincerity.
Good job.
Congratulations, Chase. We now move over to grade 4 and ask the members of Parliament for Wolf McMurray to please come forward. They're ready to go, it looks like.
Yeah, we're ready.
Thank you. Just repeat after me. I, Amin
I, me,
Najmuddin,
Najmuddin,
do sincerely promise
do sincerely promise
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
to the citizens of Wolfland
to the citizens of Wolfland
and to represent its people
and to represent its people
as a member of Parliament
as a member of Parliament
with the utmost honesty
with utmost honesty
and sincerity.
and sincerity.
Congratulations, Amin. Next we have Nate.
I, Nate. I, Nate Romanchuk,
I, Nate Romaniuk,
do sincerely promise
and sincerely promise
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
to the citizens of Wolfland
to the citizens of Wolfland
and represent its people
and represent people
as a member of Parliament
as a member of Parliament
with the utmost honesty
with the utmost honesty
and sincerity.
and sincerity.
Good job.
Congratulations, great Nate. Next, we have the members for Alpha Region, grade 5.
From there,
Where's grade 5? Oh, there's Afan is ready.
okay, Afan, just repeat after me. I, Afan Hinder,
I have found heaven,
do sincerely promise
do sincerely promise
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
to the citizens of Wolfland
to the citizens of Wolfland
and to represent its people
and represent the student
as a member of Parliament
as a member of Parliament
with the utmost honesty
with the most honesty
and sincerity.
and sincerity.
Good job.
Congratulations, Afan. Next is Caitlin.
Hi, Caitlin. Just repeat after me. I, Caitlin Reed,
I, Caitlin Reed,
do sincerely promise
sincerely promise
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
to the citizens of Wolfland
to the citizens of Wolfland,
and to represent its people
represent its people
as a member of Parliament
as a member of Parliament
with the utmost honesty
with the utmost honesty
and sincerity.
and sincerity.
Good job.
Congratulations, Caitlin. Now we will skip over to grade 6 and the members of Timber Territory.
Is Torrin there? There you go.
Timber Territory, we have Torrin ready to go.
Hi, Torrin. Just repeat after me. I, Torrin Fry,
I, Torrin Fry,
do sincerely promise
do sincerely promise
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
to the citizens of Wolfland
to the citizens of Wolfland
and to represent its people
and to represent its people
as a member of Parliament
as a member of Parliament
with the utmost honesty
with the utmost honesty
and sincerity.
and sincerity.
Good job.
Congratulations, Corin. Next, we have Margaret.
Hi, Margaret. Just repeat after me. I, Margaret Perina,
I, Margaret Prima,
do sincerely promise
do sincerely promise
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
to the citizens of Wolfland
to the citizens of Wolfland
and represent its people
and represent its community
as a member of Parliament
as a member of Parliament
with the utmost honesty
with the utmost honesty
and sincerity.
and sincerity.
Good job.
Congratulations. We're going to skip back over to grade 5 for the oath of the Deputy Prime Minister. We can get Farida to come up to the camera. There she is. You can take your mask off, Farida, please.
Hi, Frida. Just repeat after me.
Okay.
I, Frida Atia,
I, Farida Atia,
do sincerely promise
sincerely promise
that I will be faithful
that I'll be faithful
to the citizens of Wolfland
to the citizens of Wolfland
and I will preserve, protect,
and protect them
to the utmost of my ability
to the utmost
my ability, to the utmost of my ability,
to the utmost of my ability,
the Constitution of Wolfland.
the Constitution of Wolfland.
Good job.
Congratulations, Farida. Now we'll skip again back over to grade 6 and take the Prime Minister-elect, Mr. Joshua Martin.
Hi, Joshua.
I,
Just repeat after me, okay?
okay.
I, Joshua Martin,
I, Joshua Martin,
do sincerely promise
do sincerely promise
that I will be faithful
that I'll be faithful
to the citizens of Wolfland
to the citizens of Wolfland
and I will preserve,
and I will preserve,
protect,
protect,
and defend
and defend
to the utmost of my ability
to the most of my ability
the Constitution of Wolfland.
Constitution of Wolfland.
Good job.
It's now carrying the staff and hat forward. Josh has a short speech he would like to offer.
Thank you to the students of Wolfland for electing me as Prime Minister. I will do my best to serve the citizens of Wolfland. A special thank you to Mayor Bowman for officiating, and thank you to our guests from Fort McMurray Public School Board and the CEO of Micro Society International for their attendance today. I want to continue to listen to student ideas, get your feedback, and find out how I can serve you as a Prime Minister. Myself and the government of Wolfland are here to make Wolfland a fun, clean, safe place to be. Done.
Congratulations to all of our government officials and congratulations to all citizens of Wolfland. Thank you, Mayor Bowman, for helping us to make this day a very special one. And I would like to thank Prime Minister Martin for his beautiful words. This brings our ceremony to an end. I would like to thank all of our guests for taking time out of their busy schedules to be with us today. We hope that you will be able to visit us in person soon in Wolfland. Citizens of Wolfland, thank you for your attendance, and you may return to your regular scheduled programs. Okay, the kids are all gone almost. We have still grade 3. Grade 3, you need to log out. There we go. Thank you again, Mayor Bowman. It's great that you're able to join us and take time to do this for us.
No, thank you very much. Hope let me know how things are going during the election year.
Yeah.
And I'll watch for those kids' names that come up on the ballot sometime soon, I would imagine. But yeah, I like how it's going, and I can probably share my day-to-day with them.
That would be great, actually. Yeah.
And talk about what they're going through each day and what they're hearing from their citizens and students.
We normally have government sessions on Thursday afternoon around 1:30.
Okay.
So maybe we could someday, hopefully, you'll be able to swing by and join us. If not, maybe we can chime in with another Google Meet, and you can share some thoughts and listen to some of their concerns. That would be great as well.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Yep. Thanks again, Milford.
Thank you for inviting me.
Great to see you again. Hopefully we'll be all together in person sooner rather than later.
Hey, thanks everyone. Have a great day.
Take care. Have a great day.